In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Revolut app. From setting up your account, managing currencies, and sending money, to investing, using cards, and even earning rewards on your everyday spending. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of your Revolut account. So, once you've signed up and logged into the app, one of the first and most useful things you'll notice is Revolut's multi-currency feature. Revolut allows you to open accounts in over 30 different currencies, which is perfect if you travel often or make international transactions. For example, if you're in Europe but need to pay someone in the US or the UK, you can simply open that currency within the app, and Revolut will instantly create local account details for you. This means you can hold, send, and receive money in multiple currencies without constantly dealing with exchange rate losses. It makes Revolut an ideal choice for freelancers, remote workers, and frequent travelers who handle money globally. Revolut also offers really nice options for families. You can set up a joint account with a partner, giving both of you equal control over the funds. It doesn't matter who adds more money. Both of you can manage and use the shared balance however you like, making it easier to handle shared expenses like rent, groceries, or trips. And if you have kids between the ages of 6 and 17, Revolut lets you create an account for them too. It's linked directly to your main account, so you can send them allowances, track their spending, and manage their money from your own app. It's a great way to teach kids smart financial habits while still keeping everything safe and under your control. Now let's talk about adding funds. To top up your Revolut balance, simply go to the home page and tap Add Money. From there, you can choose how you'd like to add funds through Apple Pay, a bank transfer, or even by linking your debit or credit card. It's quick and flexible, and you can instantly start using the balance once it's added. Just keep in mind that depending on the bank or card you use, there might be small processing fees when adding money, so it's always a good idea to double-check your card's terms before you proceed. Once your account is funded, Revolut gives you several card options to fit your needs. You can order a physical card for your daily purchases, or, if you prefer online shopping, you can use a virtual card that provides an extra layer of security. For even better protection, Revolut also offers a disposable card. This one automatically refreshes its card details after every use, which helps keep your information safe from fraud or unauthorized charges. All of these cards can be created, frozen, or managed directly from the app in just a few taps. You can also personalize how the app looks. Revolut lets you choose from multiple visual styles and themes, like glow, abstract, or cyberpunk, so you can make your interface match your personal taste. You can even change the app's icon and language if you want to customize your overall experience a bit more. Sending and receiving money is super simple with Revolut. You can instantly transfer money to other Revolut users just by searching for their username, also known as their Rev tag, or by scanning their QR code. If you're sending to someone who doesn't use Revolut, you can still transfer funds to any regular bank account by entering their IBAN or account number. The app also supports crypto transfers. You can send crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum by selecting it from your crypto section, entering the wallet address, and tapping Send. And if you're sending money internationally, Revolut automatically shows you the best transfer method and exchange rate for that country, so you always get the best deal. You can even create a payment link, which makes it super easy for friends or clients to send you money instantly, even if they're not using Revolut themselves. If you're into investing, Revolut has a full section dedicated to that too. You can invest in stocks, commodities like gold and silver, and even government bonds, all directly from within the app. There are thousands of stocks to choose from, and it's really beginner-friendly. All you have to do is add money to your investment account, browse the available markets, and pick what you want to invest in. Revolut also includes helpful tools like market screeners and watch lists, so you can easily track top-performing companies and sectors. You can even automate your investing by setting up recurring investments, perfect for building your portfolio steadily over time without constantly checking in. For crypto enthusiasts, Revolut also supports cryptocurrency trading. You can buy, sell, and manage your crypto directly inside the app. To start, tap on the Crypto section. Search for the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Let's say Bitcoin. And tap Buy. You can choose how much you want to purchase, and even set up recurring buys, so you automatically accumulate crypto on a schedule, like weekly or monthly. It's a simple way to grow your holdings without needing to think about timing the market. Next up, we've got Revolut Points. This is basically a reward system that gives you benefits for your everyday spending. Once you've made 150 transactions within your first 90 days, you start earning points. These points can be converted into airline miles, discounts on hotels, or even used for special experiences. To earn points faster, you can enable the spare change feature every time you make a purchase. Revolut automatically rounds up your payment to the nearest whole number and saves the difference as points. Over time, these small roundups add up and help you unlock even more rewards. Security is another area where Revolut really shines. You can instantly freeze or unfreeze your card directly from the app if you misplace it, set spending limits to manage your budget, and control your privacy and data sharing settings with just a few taps. If the app ever seems to lag or not open properly, checking for updates usually fixes it quickly. And if you ever need help, Revolut's in-app chat support is available, especially during business hours, to help with anything from account setup to transaction issues. Their support team is usually quite responsive and can help resolve most problems on the spot. And that's it. That's how you can use the Revolut app step by step. From managing multiple currencies and cards to sending money, investing, and earning rewards, Revolut brings all your financial tools together in one simple, easy-to-use place.